Hey YouTube, this is KMCCMK9 Master Tech, and today is just going to be a video review of the Mac App Store and how to get it. So first, to get the Mac App Store, you have to do a software update. And in case you don't know, you should know, but in case you don't, if you go up to the Apple symbol and then choose Software Update, it'll check for new software, and one of the updates that will be listed is called Mac OS X Update. So that's going to do that. Make sure you have that checked for install. You're going to restart the computer. It's going to install the updates. Okay? When it's done, you're not going to notice anything different. In the bottom lower hand corner on your dock, next to Finder, you'll see icons similar to the dashboard, but it's actually called the App Store. Okay, now I'll tell you now, forewarning, that the App Store in its current state is good, but it definitely could have improvements. What I mean by this: okay, yes, you need to log in using your iTunes login and set up your credit card information, just like before. Okay, it does have categories, but the problem I find is there's not much out there that's for free. Most things are paid apps, and there's a lot of things that are not there yet. There's no abilities to sort. If you're in a category, there's no way to sort by price. You can only sort by name or by popularity, and that's not helpful. But this is the App Store. You'll have to log in when you first run it. I already have, okay? And right at the top, you'll see that it has featured, top charts, categories, purchases, and updates. Updates is similar to when you download apps on your phone. It'll update them. Purchases, that's any purchases, including the free ones. Category, now that's where you have a bunch of different categories, okay? So right now we have business, developing, education, entertainment, finance, games, graphics design, health and fitness, lifestyle, medical, music, news, photography, productivity, reference, social networking, sports, travel, utilities, video, and weather. A lot said at one time. Now each category, if you click it, will be broken down. Each one roughly, depending on the category, but most of them seem to not have many apps. I would say the business has one of the most category for one of the most number of apps. But like social networking and stuff like that is slim. There's like 19 apps. So in the business category, there's a lot of different things in here that you can choose from. But if you notice, again, nothing's really sorted here. You can do sort by release date or name, but there's no sort by price. Hopefully that will be coming. There are the apps, I can tell you, are high quality. I've downloaded a couple of the free ones myself. It is pretty good quality of the apps, exactly what you would expect. I'll give you a demo of what the apps will look like and how they will function. Now you can click any of these, entertainment, finance, whatever you want. It'll tell you the top apps that were downloaded up there, and more here. You could choose to see all, which will give you a giant list of all of the things they have. See, entertainment apps has 200 currently. And I want to just really quickly show you the social one. The social networking is, I think, one of the least categories. There's not even a view all, okay? There's like I said, there's like 19. There's no Facebook yet. There is a Twitter, which I'll show you that one. That one is very nice. Facebook, I wish would get on the bandwagon and do this one, because I think it would be really integrated. They do have FaceTop, but unfortunately that's not free. So I focus on the free apps more than the paid ones. Okay, so, and what else is cool about the App Store is it knows your computer and the files you're downloading. So if you download a file that you don't have a program to open, it'll automatically search the App Store to see if there's a program that can open that file for you and then recommend it to you. Now, I'm just going to give you a demo of the apps. So I downloaded the Twitter app. It's the official Twitter app, which is free. Okay, so I launched it. It's linked to my Twitter account at KMCCMK9. And your Twitter feed is all here. Okay. Now, if I want to retweet, for example, NASA working on Mars Spirit rover, I can hover over. You have a reply, a favorite, and a retweet. You click that, and then you can choose retweet. And it'll ask you if you want to retweet. I say yes, and there you go. It's done. It's retweeted. It will not show here, but if you go to your Twitter account on twitter.com, it will show up. So that's the basic functionality of that. Now, what else you can do is, if you notice when I started this, there's a Twitter icon in your upper menu bar. If you click that, it'll highlight blue when you have new tweets to read. Okay. You can also hover over it and choose mentions, messages, or new tweet. And you do that, it'll give you a nice box you can type your message into. Over on the left-hand side of the Twitter Pro app, we have the speech bubble, which is our timeline, which is the stream here. We have mentions. Okay. Then we have direct messages, lists, your profile, which if you do that, you can see what you've tweeted, and search. And that's the basic Twitter app. Now I'm going to show you the Evernote app, which is a notes application that is highly sophisticated because it uses an online service, which means if you have this program on all of your computers and your mobile device, it'll sync all of your notes together. And what's great about Evernote is it saves anything as a note. Text, video, picture, screenshot, whatever. Okay, this is the Evernote application that is free as well. It's asking, you could create a new note, delete notes, view notes. I have no notes in mine currently. But that's just that. And if you notice when I started Evernote, again in the menu bar, you click it, it just gives you some nice shortcuts. New note, paste, full screen, all those things. Screenshots, okay? And last but not least, I will open the Smart Recorder. And this is a nice app if you just want to record quick messages to yourself. Here's a test one. Here is a test recording for the YouTube video. Okay, I start recorded, I finish recording, and then you hit play and you'll hear it again. Here is a test recording for the YouTube video. And there you go. And then you can choose to save that recording or if you do not. So that's a review of the Mac App Store, which is actually highly sophisticated. It has a lot of potential. I just think it needs a little bit more work in its design and its being able to sort apps by price. That would be a nice one. And I think in time they will definitely add more apps, and more apps will be coming to the Mac App Store. I hope Facebook gets in here. I hope MySpace, all those, because those would be great things to just have. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, if you have any thoughts about the Mac App Store, I'd love to hear them. Post a video response or a nice comment or question. And please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Twitter at KMCCMK9. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.